Digital transformation is critical if we're going to be agile as a pharma industry or get therapeutics and drugs to market faster. That's the only way we can collaborate cross-functionally and across organizations to really leverage the data that we're generating.
What we need to know is, how does our new medicine really work in the real world population? Now, to do that, you need good data.
What digital transformation can achieve is the drastic reduction of the life cycle of drug development and in turn, unlock the potential of the industry.
Innovation for me is actually driving the future, but in a cost-effective way, and making sure that we don't make the same mistakes that we made in the past, and helping the next generation in a really constructive way develop their thinking so that they learn from us as peers and as mentors for the future.
Innovation means being willing to take a risk, being able to come up with novel solutions when you're not right first time, and accepting that where you end up may not be where you thought you would when you first started off, and that's not necessarily a bad thing.
Innovation is, what we do in the pharmaceutical industry. It's actually saying, no, we're not going to give up on the fact that people die of this disease or that disease. We believe we can beat that.